Here I have VIVO IQOO U3, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Swift key autocorrection feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the system section, then go to the languages and input, on-screen keyboard, Gboard, text correction. And here you can just switch this autocorrection, corrects words while typing feature, just like this, and yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.